if you've ever said, oh, I keep restarting my ads because they weren't performing, that sentence probably explains the problem at the beginning. Every time that you turn a campaign off and then on again, the system has to relearn who's watching content, what types of people who are actually going to expand on it, and it's like training a puppy, really, isn't it? And then change all the commands halfway through, it's kind of like confused, it's distracted, it's starting over from scratch. Don't know if you've ever had a dog. Advertising platforms need repetition to learn the patterns of the people who you're like testing for. Yeah, they test combinations of people. There's a lot of people out there, yeah? They're looking at times as well, interests, until they start finding your best fit audience. And that process actually takes data, it takes days, it takes weeks actually. And when you restart constantly, you're actually kind of erasing the very evidence that you would have wanted or needed for it to know what's working, yeah? And the cost? Well, you end up paying more and you end up burning through your budget and time without moving forward because of this. And worse, you lose momentum with your audience. You know, somebody who saw your ad, they might have once seen it, and then if you'd kept running and kept the thing in place, it would see you again. But when you stop and start, it kind of breaks that thread, yeah? So if you want to stabilize results, just find your few good power content videos, set your daily budget, something you can actually afford for at least 30 days and let them run, yeah? Check it every 7 days. And that's how the system gets smarter. It's not people running this, it's a system. And how you actually stop wasting money on resets all the time because of feelings and emotions. Tweak only when you have real information, data to act on, not on guesses, not on emotion, not on nerves, not on what somebody said to you because they don't know what the hell's going on. Let each ad campaign mature long enough to earn your judgment. Laurel says 90 days to data. What does that tell you? She's been in it forever. Consistency isn't exciting, but neither is losing progress every single day, but every single week for a lot of people. Run your ads, trust the process, give that data kind of like, I don't know, room to breathe, and then learn from the data. If you're not sure how to read your data and you've got a load of data, give me a shout. Let's get in there together and have a look. It always depends on your goals and your long-term progress, and everyone's is different, but it's all the information's there if you've been running ads. Okay, all of it. Oh, quick thing actually. Yesterday I was reading through R3Os again for about the millionth time, how it feels, and I was reading through the Be Helpful campaign. So I've noticed that a lot of people are stuck for cash right now. So if you want me to help you with a Be Helpful campaign to get some cash in quick before Christmas, give me a shout, yeah? You can reach me. Oh, you can reach me so easy. Just go to my website, tinasandford.com, go to the Contact Me page, and you can actually click my WhatsApp, and it goes straight through to my WhatsApp personal phone at the moment, so that won't be forever. But if you want to have a quick chat with me, just do that.